Praise the Lord. I give glory and honor to God for this blessed day. Respected Chairperson, Mr. G.K. Jimogi, and our member C3. I give my respect to all the presidents and members of the Angami Public Organization, Aung Senden, Lutha Hoho, Sumi Hoho, and Rema Hoho. Presidents and members of students and youth organizations present here today, presidents and members of mothers associations and members here today, tribal leaders, fellow citizens, friends from media and members of the public. Good morning. I stand before you today not as a convener of the Five Tracks Committee on review of the reservation policy, but as a voice representing the deep concerns and rightful aspirations of the five apex tribal bodies, Angami Public Organization, Aung Senden, Lutha Hoho, Sumi Hoho, and Rema Hoho. These respected Hohos have nominated us and entrusted us with a responsibility to speak truly, boldly, and strongly on a matter that has long been left ignored. Accordingly, on the 20th September 2024, we submitted a memorandum to the government of Nagaland. As our member secretary has already stated, our demand was either to scrap the current Nagaland reservation policy or to allot the unreserved quota to the five tribes. Ami khan laga main demand to itu ase Nagaland reservation policy itu 48 years in existence so scrap kori dibi itu ami khan laga demand ase aru government itu koribo na pare koile unreserved quota to ami khan ke five tribes ke di dibi itu ami khan laga core demand itu ase. When the government did not respond to our memorandum, we issued a 30-day ultimatum on 26 April 2025. As the government continued to remain silent, we launched the first phase of our democratic agitation, a public protest relay across all 8 districts of Nagaland on 28 May 2025. Our protest was peaceful, dignified, and united in message. And now, dear friends, 48 years we have supported and allowed time for the implementation of the Nagaland reservation policy. Amigan 48 years to ini allow policy. Nagaland government itu aram pra chulabule. We have done so in the spirit of brotherhood and solidarity, hoping that it will extend benefits to the needy people. And indeed, it has enabled several backward tribes to rise, sometimes even surpassing the so-called advanced tribes. 48 years stay into reservation policy implement kurado. Dishi manu backward te thakli bhi kya to advanced tribe khan pra bhi age bari jaise. Itu we can clearly dikhe. Here the key question is, how long is too long? Let me remind all of us here that Nagaland reservation policy was never meant to permanent. It was to be reviewed every 10 years. But in 1989, the government issued a notification that the existing policy will continue until further orders, a vague declaration that has now turned into indefinite extension. 1989 day, 10 साल पिछड़े एक reservation to review करने तो provision आसे. Already 1989 से government तो एक review करी ना बदली दे, एक reservation policy तो order, आरो further order ना दिया तो extend करी था कि वो बाद अजीब तो 48 years हुई जाए without proper reservation. Is this what envisioned? A policy that by now should have evolved, revised, or concluded has instead become permanent by neglect. Government to itu loina permanent laga provision banai dis. Tahan laga negligence. Over the years, state government has constituted several committees to study and recommend changes to this policy. But what has happened? Committee alag beshi constitute kori kena itu reservation policy examine koribole review koribole korise already itu kan laga report to put ase. Their reports lie in cold storage, gathering dust, and the concerns raised have gone unheard. Tate ta kan ki recommend korise government itu action loa nahi, except a few token adjustment. Piecemeal de yate tate pick up korina dusra to nahi khilai dis. As we continue to praise for change, we must also highlight the core issues that demand urgent examination if government truly intends to review the policy. Government to itu policy to review koribo lage, scrap na kori na review koribo lage. Koile bhi itu core issue kan to chharibo na lage. Number 1 আছে reservation policy duration to itu indefinite থাকিব নাকি Number 2 আছে concept of internal reservation and the discrimination it has created আমি kan সব schedule tribe আছে রাখিছে itu 80% ভিতৰতে আৰু reservation ৰাখি কিনা এতিয়া half century যায় আছে without reviewing Third আছে multiple benefits and flexible options and the lack of a creamy layer exclusion for backward tribes. Backward tribes kan reservation pa kan bhi deserving kan to na paye. Creamy layers kan enjoy kore. Aru ta kan to multiple options. Open competition de bhi ta kan koribo pare. Reserve kota de bhi pabo pare. Option de na paye bole ta reservation te jai na loi. Aru ami so called advanced tribes kan to tai kan pra high mark paile bhi ta kan to na paye. Ta kan pra category low. Suppose in ami kan la candidate kan to 80% paina pa nai ta kan to 50% de pai jai. So is it not a discrimination? Arta kotha ase unjust age relaxations and cut-off mark discrepancies that put others at a disadvantage. Cut-off mark bhi komti bishi duita category banai je age relaxation bhi bishi di di se so option open to reserve categories. Pansta kotha ase backlog of reserve post backlog reservation category te backlog post to bishi hoi jai je boli ta kan backward tribe kan pra ito fill up koribole qualified nai itu karone ini sal de itu advertise kuri na jai ase for example education sector 47 teaching posts remain on field due to a lack of qualified applicants from the reserve categories these posts are advertised and re-advertised every year you know it well while deserving qualified candidates from our tribe are denied the opportunity to serve. Iman post rakhi je backlog ase reserve category kan ase ta kan manu na hatok to 10 saal bhi jabo naki 15 saal jabo naki aru ami kan laga yate qualified kan borta korina unemployed hoina deprived hoina thaki ase so is this justice is this what affirmative action was supposed to look like moreover the current system based solely on tribe status is deeply flawed. Tribe-wise reservation system though flawed as it fails to distinguish between those who are truly disadvantaged and those who are not. Reservation should target economic and social backwardness. Economic and social backwardness side na reservation dibo lage. Constitution provision dibe ase already to misuse hoye ase. Many people in pocket areas regardless of tribe face real hardship but this policy does not reach them. Ami kan tribe advanced hoile bhi backward hoile bhi बिशी जगह ते गुस्सा भी इकोनॉमिकली और सोशली बैकवर्ड खाना से इतु रिजर्वेशन तो ताकांगे भी ना पहुंचे रिजर्वेशन ट्राइब पाकां भी ताकांगे भी ना पहुंचे इतु इफेक्टिव कोई तो let us not forget this crucial fact in Nagaland all tribes are scheduled tribes so tribe to le scheduled tribes है so the continued classification into backward and advanced tribe is not only unjust it is discriminatory and divisive. Ami kan tribe majote naga tribe majote reservation policy alikana anga majote discrimination rakhi ase aru divisive policy ase. We therefore reiterate our clear and rightful demands. Either scrap the reservation policy entirely or allocate the remaining unreserved quota fairly to the 5 aggrieved tribes: Angami, Ao, Sumi, Lutha, and Rengma. On 3rd June 2025. State government convened a joint meeting with the 5 tribes at the Chief Secretary's conference hall. We were told that within a fortnight, a decision on setting up of commission would be conveyed and that within a month, action would be taken on our demands. Itu commission set up koribo, koikana ulai jato le 3rd meeting government to amikan ke mati kena jadin de itu. It is the outcome of the meeting only. Itu to amikan la demand na hai. Amikan la demand to reservation policy scrap koribi নহলে on reserve quota to ami kan 5 tribes kan ke dibi itu he ase itu karone government to itu opor ami kan la demand opor de ajito eku communication dia nai apni kan la demand take up koribo kua bi likha nai na koribo kua bi likha nai dei itu karone aji ami kan yate gather kora to itu pressurize koribole itu yate jama hoise today more than a month has passed there is no notification no update no action. Are we to conclude that this is not a priority for the government? আমি kan like to demand of the government karone eku priority nai nagi. Aji tok ami kan laga eku demand upor de government to eku action loi dia nai. Worse still, we have come to learn that government now intend to wait for the next population census 2025. Government to ita to itu ami kan laga demand upor de action loa laga budli de. Commission set up korina 3 saal aru jaina থাকিব আৰু এইটো পিছতে চাব পাৰো কমিশন এটা কি পারপাস কাৰণে সেট আপ কৰিছে 2027 সেন্সাস may not conclude in 2027 again 2028 to election ahi jabo itu time ministry kun ahibo najani so before addressing our issue government is now shifting with the excuse of population census 2027 are we expected to sit quietly for another 3 or 4 years does this mean we will celebrate 50 years a golden jubilee of a flawed and unreviewed policy golden jubilee celebrate koribole apna rukhi ase naki eto defective policy hoigena let us be clear 48 years is enough the time to act is now etia ami kan move kore ase etu thik homoy ami kan be better late than never we are gathered here today not out of anger but out of conviction we are not here to create division but to restore fairness and let us be honest if there is political will state cabinet can sit and take a decision on our demands even today আজি আমি কান ইয়াতে খাৰা আছে গভর্নমেন্ট অফ পলিটিক্যাল উইল থাকলে আজি ক্যাবিনেট সিটিং করে না ডিসিশন করে না দিব পারে we urge the government do not delay justice any longer we want a government where every tribe is treated fairly where merit equality and opportunity are not sacrificed at the altar of outdated policies before I conclude I thank all the apex tribal organizations civil society and concerned citizens who continue to support this cause let us remain united, firm and peaceful in our stand. May God bless our collective efforts. May God bless the 5 tribes. May God bless Nagaland. Thank you all.
Mughal community, thanks for crisply delivering the keynote address. Before we move on to the solidarity messages, 48 years will be enough. So I request all those sitting also to kindly stand up, relax your limbs, and be prepared. 48 years! Enough! 48 years! Enough! 48 years! Enough! Thank you all. Kindly be seated.